Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is very different. I joined a Greenville server, joined the police team, and oh yeah, this is what I see. And this is a freaking person. Look, as you can see, oh, it's a hacker. Okay, yeah, that's a hacker. Wait, does it have the, what? As you can see, it's a freaking hacker. We've been calling for backup. We've been shooting at this guy. Nothing is coming out of this, though. This is massive. Backup, yeah, everyone is kind of calling for backup. Oh my god. Oh, it moves. As you can see, it's a literal human. I was just what? Oh god. I wonder how he did that. We've just been firing at this thing. Oh, he just nodded his head! Yeah, I don't know what to do with it. I'm just going back up here. No, no, no. Oh my word, everyone remember the lady that was neighbors with the kidnapper. Oh my god. Chase the thing. Oh god. See, it's a freaking human. Oh, look, there's another car. Where did he go? Wait, what? He just left. Yeah, I'm out. What? I don't know if you guys can hear, but the only thing you hear right now is sirens. Where did he go? Where did he go? What? Is he still on the server? Yep, they're still here. As you can see, there's just so many sirens. There's like 50 of us here. Look at us. I don't know if I've ever seen this many cops just joined together. Oh, there was a murder hostage thing earlier. Whoa! My god, these guys are not driving smartly. I was able to just cut every single one of them off. God, they do not drive well. I don't see anything. I got nothing. All the units, I think, are going back to the station. All units be on standby. Yeah. After that, yeah. I will keep you guys posted if the massive head comes back. But if it doesn't, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notifications bell. This was an unplanned video. I just decided to start up my recorder for anything. So yeah, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Have a great day!